welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I am excited. Today we are opening our May 2019 Allure Beauty Box. So for those of you that are not familiar, the Allure Beauty Box is a $15 a month beauty subscription, and here lately, it's actually been really good. They seem to be stepping up their game and putting better products in. Sometimes they're full size, and I just really am enjoying this subscription. They did change a few months back from just the red box to this white box with a plastic bag inside, and it's been a different color every month. So we will see what May has for us. So we will dive into this. Before I forget, I do want to remind you guys, we do have the Luxury Divas giveaway going on. You can win a free month, so I will make sure to put a link to that video down below so you can enter if you would like to. You can be a current subscriber or not subscribed at all. Either way, you will win a free month. So let's get into this box. Apologize for my hair and stuff, but it went from beautiful weather here in North Carolina to today it is blazing hot. So the hair went up. All right, so we open it, and there is always a little magazine here that will tell us about the products and the full-size pricing. Now, the one thing about this magazine is when it describes the products in your box, it's not actually a product description. It is a description from a person and their thoughts on the product. So I may use that some, but I may not, just so you know. So this is what we see when we open it. So it looks like we got an orange bag this month and a couple of things outside of the bag. All right. So we are just going to, oh, and it doesn't have little, it's been having little snap closures, but it doesn't this month. This is just, you peel it like that. All right, so we're just gonna start, and the first thing I see is from Laneige. It is a Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. So here is the outer packaging. So let's open it and see the actual product. Sorry about that, y'all. So this is the product outside of the box. So let's see what it says in here for, okay. So the full size would be $35, and that is what the full size product looks like. And it is saying that this cream is a great balance between light and effectively moisturizing, doesn't feel heavy but thoroughly plumps skin with ceramides and sodium hyaluronate. You can use it in the morning under sunscreen and makeup, and then at night before bed. So yeah, so it's a moisturizer. It's, and it, with the name Water Bank, I'm going to assume it is kind of like a water cream moisturizer, which I really enjoy. I love that they do the job, but they're lightweight. So I'm excited to give this a try. Laneige is a good brand. So that is a win. And then, what is this? Lue by Jean Ciel Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. Mix a tablespoon of Erase with half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Apply to face and let dry for 1 minute. While still damp, gently massage away. Paste should come off like eraser peels. Taking blackheads out and reducing large pores. Add a drop of water to continue erasing if paste dries. Use twice a week or as needed. Huh. So this is what it looks like, and then you can see the powder in there. That's different. And it says Full size is $15, and I'm thinking this is not the full size because it does say not for resale, so this would not be the full size. And basically that's kind of everything that I read to you is what it says here. So I'll probably put this aside for a giveaway. I just don't really care for like the paste and stuff that has to dry on my skin. That's why I prefer sheet mask over like a mud mask, things like that. So I'll probably put this to the side. You know, if it does what it says, then that's fantastic. So one of you guys can enjoy this. And then we have Are you serious? Nunzio Saviano Anti-Frizz Sheets. We got 2 little packets here. It's $18 for a box of 15. And it says a few swipes help smooth, condition, and tame hair. Individually packaged, they fit into, you know, the purse, easy to store at the desk, don't take up too much room. You can use them on just flyaways, and one is more than enough for like shoulder length hair. It says directions: tear open packet and remove sheet, gently swipe hair from roots to end with the sheet to tame your frizz, shine your waves, and define your curls. I mean, I guess I'll give these a try. That's just a little odd to me. So we have some anti-frizz hair sheets. And then we have from Model Co. This is an Eyelights Metallic Shadow. And it looks like it is in St. Bart's. So this is the packaging. I'm going to guess that this is full size. And it's a bronzy champagne cream shadow that dries down fast and doesn't crease or rub off. And it is $12. So this, I'm not into like cream stick eyeshadows, but ones like this that come in like a package like this, kind of like the Stila Glitter and Glow things, I'm actually really starting to like the Ciate London we got in BoxyCharm, and this is a really pretty color. Has a like doe foot applicator. Oh, that is a really pretty color. Like so pretty. And then this is the packaging. So I'm very excited about this. I'm going to let this dry down during the rest of the video, and then we'll see if it really is like rub resistant and all of that. So there's that guy. And then we have from Lorizzi Cosmetics. It is a lip gloss in Vibe. And I know this is full size. And the pale pinkish nude gloss has a 60s vibe that it's sheer with warm tones for a more modern, more flattering take on the classic Sex Kitten lip color. And this has a $20 value. Now, last month we got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood that was a nude. I know it was more of like, you know, the liquid lip, whereas this is a gloss, but it literally almost looks like the same color. So, yeah, and then there's the applicator. So I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to put this in a giveaway for one of you guys. So I'm going to put it back in the box because, I mean, it's a $20 product, and I have some lip glosses and lipsticks from Lorizzi, and they're amazing. So I'm going to let one of you guys have this because obviously I just got that nude lippy, and I do have other glosses, so I'm going to share the love. All right, so we have one more product, and I'm not sure how I feel about this either. I don't know if I'm really digging this May box. So this is from Saint Tropez, which does it not have a lid? There's no lid. That's a little odd. This is the St. Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. Full size is $44. And this is a liquidy gel. Spread a thin coat over dry skin so you don't get any streaks and splotches. And there's no guide color, so it doesn't stain clothes. And it says, but its glistening wet texture lets you see and feel where you've applied it. Sinks in quickly. Scent is a mix of fresh and tropical, so it doesn't stink. And one application is great for a subtle glow. And then if you use it, for a couple of days, you get a really golden color, is what it's saying. So that's what this, I'm guessing, came with. Now, I will say I do appreciate this. I don't use sunless tanners. I have before, and I always hated getting stuff on my hands because you would get like the palm of your hands would have that sunless tanner action happening. So with this, you don't have to worry about that. Natural looking glow in 3 hours. And so this is what it looks like. And like I said, I was surprised there's no lid. But I don't know. I know I will not use this because, again, I don't use sunless tanners anymore. I am okay with the fact that I'm pale. I embrace this. So I will probably put this to the side for a giveaway as well. I'm going to check with one person to see if they may want it. If not, then this you'll see in a future giveaway. But I do really like that we got the mitt. And, a $44 for full size, I would hope this would work really well. So if I was into sunless tanners, I would be extremely happy about this because this to me is a big deal. So we got this, which, like I said, may end up in a future giveaway. But going to giveaways, we have this like erase paste, the Larizzi Nude Lip Gloss. And then I'm super excited for this like water bank cream from Laneige. We have the 2 anti-frizz sheets, which I will try because during the summer humidity, I do get frizz with my hair. And this I think is probably my favorite, the Model Co. Eye Lights shadow. And there again is that swatch. Y'all, okay. I mean, I'm like rubbing right here. Nothing transferred, and it didn't go anywhere. And what's even better, I can't feel it. Like, I can't run my hand like this without looking and tell you exactly where it is at. That is awesome. So I'm super, super excited about that. So, looking through the book, I'm actually kind of... It seems like there were a lot of variations this month. So is Allure getting kind of like BoxyCharm where we're going to have variations? I don't know how I feel about that. What are your guys' thoughts? What did you receive? Let me know down below. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.